guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going.
To look for robin.
Okay,
Let's see whether we can find out some robins around us. If we
yeah,
are able to find them out, we will try to
shoot them.
shoot them. Shoot in the sense we'll take a photograph.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Let's see.
let's go to two parks. Let's see. Uh, is there little bit of robins or some other species of birds? What?
Bird chirping sound.
Yes, there are right here. I think the bushes. Let's see. So guys, we are just going ahead in that park to see are there some birds or not. Okay, guys, so we are almost there. As you can see, the gate is a little bit open, but that's not the gate, guys. Oh, I thought that was a gate. We are going in this park, guys, and let's see if we can find robins. Okay, guys, so as you can see, uh, over there, that's the entrance, I think. Yes, that's the entrance, guys. Let's go right over there. We are now in the park. Hands are cold, guys. So I think we can also find some squirrels. Here's the entrance. Here's everything, and we are now going to go. We are now going to go over those trees. Wait a second, guys.
Oh, that's a dinosaur.
Please, Dad.
I'm scared of dinosaurs.
Just be quiet. Now we are in the bird line, and now let's go, guys. Guys, we sound.
Can you see that? Hold on.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Where? We can't see. Wait, guys.
Udala.
Oh, we saw Robin, guys. Oh, wait.
That is a teeth.
Oh, yeah, it's a teeth.
Robin पण होता. दिसला Robin आपल्याला. Ding ding
It
ding
was
ding
a
ding ding.
Robin, guys, but I didn't see it. Check it.
इकडे ये. पुढे ये. पुढे ये.
Okay, guys, we just saw tits. A couple of tits.
इथे आहे Robin आहे. You can
There.
easily.
Put your mobile on do not disturb mode. Mom, can we find some robins, guys? Can we find some robins, guys? Can we find some robins, guys?
No, त्या झाडावर.
Which
त्या
tree?
झाडावर.
English.
See, it's there on the tree. See, you got it?
Yes,
See,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
There is one bird, right?
Yes.
That is robin.
Look. One tit flew away. Look. The sound of the tit. It's down to the ground. Guys. Look. It's moving. Looks.
Not that.
What?
That's not the robin. There is one on top.
Can
Let us see. Let's see.
Can't see it,
You
Daddy.
can't. I know. Even I cannot. तेव्हा तो उतरला बघ खाली. Just stop this recording. You just concentrate on the.
On that tree, I just saw a robin. It was the common robin, means the red-throated robin. And first, my dad saw it.
Yeah, I saw it on this tree first. And then we moved closer to him. Then it flew and went to that tree.
in the
Yeah,
bushes.
there. You can see that.
Yes, yes.
There is. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that's the robin.
It's coming out. It's
Yeah,
coming
that's
out.
the robin.
It's coming out.
Right? You're able to see it, right, Agastya?
Yes. Hope
Yeah,
you
that's
guys can see it. Look, look,
it's
look,
very
look, look.
far, right? Yeah.
Yes,
See,
yes, yes.
that's the one.
Look, look,
That's the one.
look, look. No, that's not.
That's the one. That's the
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
You can see it,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. It's near that perch. Mm, it's about to fly, I think.
Should we go little closer there?
Duck, duck, down. Follow my instructions, Dad. Look, 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 guys. Look. Can you see it? Duck down, Dad. Duck down. Look, 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 look.
Still there.
Look.
Still
Came
there.
out. Look, 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 guys.
Still there. Still
It's
there.
near other. It's near the other bit. Duck down, Dad. Duck down.
Hold on. Hold on. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes.
See, that's
It's
the robin.
it's near about to fly. Look, guys. Look, look, look. Let me just go a little bit closer.
Go from this. From
Okay, guys. We're now going to other side of the view. Look, 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 look. Guys, now we can see it properly. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, yeah. Check that square out, or square, or a square and triangle shape, and then you'll be able to find it, guys. It's an amazing moment, guys. It's,
everything this is lal.
look, 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 look. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see it. I can
You
see
can
it.
see it, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Guys, comment down if you like this video. Come on. Oh, look. No, that's not. It's a tit.
Yeah.
Let's go to another spot, guys. We just saw a robin on that uh, metallic rod, and he just flew. Yeah, look, it has pooped. It has gone, flew, and brought something for its young ones to eat, and came back in the bush over there in that hole. Do you see that? That hole. Let's go to find another robin. We are now going to Tesco Express, so there's gonna be a little break, and we just saw two robins. You know, there could be a robin here. We just saw two robins on that green fence, one, and on that tree, two. So we are also going to come back. We headed to the third spot of the robin, but we didn't see at the third spot. We have uh, we only have two options only. Go in the there's a small part of the jungle where people have cut down trees. Over there we are going right now. When we come from Tesco, we are going over that spot, or also another spot. It's the basketball area. So guys, I'll be back. There is also a sixth spot. Let me just show you. That is the sixth spot. Sixth spot. So guys, we just came from Tesco. My dad is holding that milk, and now we are going to see another spot. That is Springhead Golf Park. So let me just show you the road. There is Springhead Park Golf Club. That is what what I was talking about. Let's go. So beware of the mud, guys. Okay, here comes a Suzuki, and just be careful and jump. Look, oh, I thought there were robins, but no, I didn't saw them. Let's go upstairs and come down. Oh, Santa was there. Let's go do the crossing. There's no cars, Dad. And let's see, there are some robins right over here. So, let me just take the lead. I think this is a field. There should not be any wild creatures. Oh, over here, there's lot.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah,
Cool.
over here it can be.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Let's not go ahead, Agar. We don't have entry pass.
yeah. Look, guys, the golf park, and here's the water. We can find some kingfishers here. Hey, Dad, wait up. Now let's go this way,
Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
and let's see. Oh, guys! I saw a squirrel. Look! He's moving. Look! See that rock thingy? That is the squirrel. Look. Let's see where's this. It's a red squirrel, guys. It's a it's a red squirrel, guys. We want to photograph it. And like and subscribe for part 2, guys. I'm going to do the part 2 vlog also. Oh man, just why? Why is he? Look, guys, that over there. It's a blackbird. Oh no, he's going to frighten the squirrel. Don't go to the cars. There's a blackbird. Dad, we'll also go in the woods nearby. Look, you guys. Wait, just wait, guys. There are two, I think. Um, I just stepped on something. He's loading the car, guys. Oh man, take the shot. So, he's making something. Take this, Dad. Just take a shot. Squirrel, guys. Standing, standing. Just go a little farther, guys. So I'm going to collect some nuts for the squirrels. There is no squirrel right over there. Dad is photographing with his camera. Dad, milk. Okay, so let's go and grab some nuts. So the squirrel found some nuts. You can really see them. There could be some nuts really. Are there some nuts? No, I can't find some. Wait, Dad. Let's see. Okay, so there are no nuts, guys. So, guys, I just took some
We
shots.
saw almost three squirrels.
Yeah,
Three red squirrels. we were able to capture their photos, but don't know whether because of high ISO, the quality wise that is good or not. Because actually today is a very foggy day, so there is no enough light over here.
No.
But we can still see there are 3 4 squirrels are roaming around there in
Golf
the
course.
golf course area.
Look, let me just show you. Just right over there, can you see some squirrels? Look, can you see it? Look, two squirrels are roaming around. I think they're a couple. So one just went up the tree, and we were not able to capture it, but I were able to capture it, guys.
You are.
Yeah, but it was a little foggy, so I couldn't capture it a little good. That's why. Let's see, let's see. Let's go in that. Let's go in the forest.
No, we can't go in there. We don't
Why?
have tickets.
That forest, Dad.
No,
That.
it will be more. Again, the light will be less.
We'll put the ISO. So
Pump the ISO,
then what?
the noise will be there.
Yeah, my photo has some noise.
And if there is
Let's
a
go.
noise, then photo will look like green,
Yeah, a little green.
green.
Yeah. Let's go to see the robin. Yeah. Oh, look. I think there was a fire pit right over here of supercars. Fire spitting. Because of these colors, I can recognize it. So,
It was overall good, right? We saw 2 3 robins. We saw 1 or 2 blackbird. There was
one we
no,
saw.
there were 2 blackbirds
No,
there.
I didn't see.
Yeah, it was there. There were 2 blackbirds,
Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see
right?
two.
Then also we saw few squirrels.
Yeah,
So
and
and also we found 2 times fox. I found 2 times. You found 1 time. So
no.
overall,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh,
overall we are in a proximity of wildlife, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So are
Can
you
you?
enjoying it?
Yes. Wait a second, Dad. Can you just hold this?
Yes.
And guys, let me show you. I'm telling you that one day my dad just woke up in the middle of the night because he heard some uh, sound of garbage or rubbish in the UK in our front yard, guys, and all gates were closed. Still, two red foxes came in, and I could not see it because when dad came, the foxes saw him. They climbed out the fence. Then he went to wake up my mom, and they were a little bit far. They were still in the trash can finding something. And when he came to wake me up, they were gone, and I take lot. I I just not wake up in a single call of my name.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
that's
I
the
think,
reason you lost that opportunity.
yeah,
Basically,
but I
watching the
saw
red fox.
we were just going to
But then
post,
second day when we were going to
uh
post office, right?
yeah, to
Yeah.
put my admission in the post office.
Yeah.
We were going, and we saw a red fox.
Yes. You was like,
Oh, I thought it was it was going it was going in its path. Then it saw, is it a car? Is a car coming? Looked both ways, and then looked at us. He just went fast, fast, and fast. And I saw him. My mom, and my dad. And at the last, I'll show you the image of the red fox, guys. Guys, look, there's a Eurasian cuckoo, guys. It's just a crow. Look, it's moving. Huh?
See, there is a
Where,
robin.
where, where?
See below that bar. Yeah, can you see that?
Chair, chair.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Good.
I see. Look, guys, look. Let me just take a shot. Okay, okay, guys. Let me just- Okay, it's coming. Look. I see it, guys. I see it. And the chair, I think. Let me just take a shot. Come on.
See, can you see that?
Yeah, but he should
Look at
face.
it.
Yeah. He should look at us. Hey, Robin. In the background.
What?
Oh no, he flew away. Let's see the shot from my dad. It is a female because it doesn't have.
Hey, squirrel.
Oh, look. Guys. Squirrel, guys. Let me just take a shot. Yes, on the bench. Come on. Look. Check that out. Check that squirrel out, guys. Check that squirrel out. He's just looking at the crow or a raven. It's just
They
look
are
at
able
that.
to find so many things, right?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Look. Oh, yeah. This is the time. Man,
Hold on.
guys, I'm going to show you the shots of mine at the last of this video. Look. It's bearing with something.
Coming towards us.
Oh,
That's
look.
good, right?
Yeah, I have. I should have bought some nuts or some berries. It will come. I have thrown it right over there. It will come and we'll take the shot. Next
Let's
time
see.
we are going to do the same. Oh man, it's amazing moment, guys, of our life. I'm taking just shots throughout the video. Oh, okay, guys. So we have taken enough
Never.
shots. Okay, so let me just show you at the last. It's a robin. It's a male. Look. His dad has gone to see the squirrel in those trees. It's just standing right there, and I'm waiting here for the robin. It looks like it's a nest right over here. And in part 2, I'm going to show all of this video in this part. Means over here it's nest. It is its nest. Look, that is found squirrel. It's just taking a photograph. Is the robin coming, guys? Let's just wait out. I think it's coming out. It's coming out. Guys, I'm now just going to see that. What is he doing? Hey, Dad, what? Oh, I see that squirrel. Just yeah. Check that out. It's a fun moment of our life, guys. My mother has also came. She would also see it. She's gone. Look. She's going. She is really mad at us. See, if it, there is Robin, I think. Let's go quietly. Bring the milk. I heard a chirping of the robin like this.
That was
Okay, guys, we just saw robin, and I didn't saw when I was alone right over here. Okay, guys, so we're now going home. So yeah, if you like this video, guys,
Yes, then
please
don't forget to hit
wait,
the.
wait, wait. Please and comment down. And so we had a fun time right over here. It was a great time. Saw robins, squirrels, blackbirds, and what?
Uh, that's it.
Yeah, we saw three species: two species of birds and one species of a mammal, a small mammal.
Now hold it on.
Okay, and
Stop it
let's.
now.
Okay, so we are all. Dad is going to put
I'll
the
just
camera.
put my camera inside.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we'll meet at home. Bye bye for now. Guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment down in the comment section below, and like this video and share it with your friends, and ring the bell icon, guys, and please subscribe. Bye bye.